Okay, we're going to create a video here to go over customizing your new WordPress blog that you set up. I have a brand new installation over at davemania.com that I just installed. So we'll go to davemania.com/wp-admin, and that brings up our login page. So we're gonna log into the control panel here, or the dashboard. So here's what a brand new blog installation looks like. Nothing's been done on this so far, so it's a complete blank slate. First thing we want to do is customize it a little bit. So we'll go over to the appearance section here and click on the Install Themes tab. And we can go through and we can search for other themes. I'm just going to go to the featured themes here, and we're going to click this very first one. We can preview it to see what it looks like. So it'll bring up a new screen here with the preview. So we can either close that and then go back and just click the install button here, and that's going to go through and automatically install our new theme here. So give it a minute, it's going to go through. In this case, we want to activate the theme, so we're going to click on the activate button, and we'll have a brand new theme for our blog here. You can go up to the top and click on the site name, and that will bring us over there, and we can see what the site looks like. So it's just a blank site so far. We'll just click the back button, and we're going to go on and do some more customization. So one of the things we also want to do is install some plugins. There are quite a few different plugins available that you can use on your blog to do a bunch of different things. One of them that I like to use is a Google Sitemap Creator. So we just go up here and click on Add New, and then we can search for that. So we can do a Google. It is a Google XML Sitemap plugin. So we just search for those plugins, and it's going to bring things up. And I like this one down here. It's just a plain Google XML Sitemaps. It's a little older version, but it's been tested and proven. It works pretty well. So we just click on the Install Now button. It'll ask if you want to. Click OK, and it's going to bring it up. We want to activate this plugin so it automatically creates our sitemap for us. Another one we want to add is the contact form one. There's more of these out there, but I like one called Contact Form 7. So we can search for that. You'll see there's a bunch of different results. There's different modules, but we want to look for the one that just says plain Contact Form 7. So we'll scroll down, and for whatever reason, this one actually shows up on the second page. So we'll go over to the second page. We see Contact Form 7 right there. So we'll just click on Install Now, click OK. It's going to install that plugin for us. We'll want to activate it, and it's going to bring that up. So down here on our plugin screen, we want to go to the settings on Contact Form 7. And the reason we're going to do that is because there's some code in there that we can put in to create a Contact Us page. So you can see right up here it just says Contact Form 1. It's very simple text. So we'll highlight it, right-click, and copy it. And we're going to move right into the next step, which is creating some pages. So we'll go over here, click on the Pages link. There's already an About Us page created with this one, but we want to add a new one. So we're going to go up here, click Add New, and we're going to create a Contact Us page. So we'll just Contact Us, just put the title in. You've got two options when you're creating a page. You have this visual tab where you can type things in and do formatting, or you have the HTML tab. The HTML tab, that's where we have to put in our code, and since we copied that code from the Contact Form 7, we go to the HTML spot, paste in our code, and that's really all there is to this page creation. And in this case, we'll just hit Publish. So it's going to publish this page, and it's going to bring up our new page. So we can click View Page, and now we've got a page on our blog, and this is where people can go to fill in some information to contact you and ask for more information or make some comments on your site. So we'll go back to our dashboard now, and another thing that you're going to want to do is create posts. Posts are created in the same manner. So if we click on the Posts tab, that's going to bring up the same thing. There's a generic Hello World post that gets started, but we'll want to add a new post. And this is where you can put in your content, the articles that you've written about your site. So you go through, put the title in the same way, put your content in, either writing it in HTML or writing it in the visual. With posts, you got a couple more things you can do. You can put them in categories. The default category is usually uncategorized, but if you want, we can add a new category. In this case, we'll just create a category called opinions. So, and then we just add new category, and that'll bring it up top, and it'll automatically create that as your default for this post. The other thing you can do is you can add tags, and this is another way to help organize your site. So if you're going to write a page about personal opinions, you can put in a tag called opinions and add that, and you can add as many tags as you want. And when you're done putting your content in, selecting the category and doing tags, you just go up, you hit publish just like we did on the page, and it's going to create a new page or a new post. So all that's really simple. A couple other things on here to be aware of. When you go to settings, there are a bunch of options you can do. One of the things you'll probably want to do is click on the reading option and tell it what you want the front page of your blog to be. If it's just going to be a blog, you can leave it with your latest posts, and it'll put your latest blog posts on there. If you want it to be more like a website, which you probably will, you can select to have a page on the front. So what I usually do is I'll select a front page, and then you can select one of the pages that you've already created. You'll probably want to create a specialized page about your site, and once you do that, it'll be here, so you can just select that. In this case, we'll just select the About Us page to be your home page. Click on Save Changes, and then you can go up here, go to your blog, and now when you go to your blog, the home of it is going to be the About You page. So we haven't updated yet, but that's just the process of doing this. Very simple processes going through here. There's a lot of things you can do on your dashboard. Just look around, and you can add new plugins and make changes. So just play around. You can't really break anything, and if you do, you can just undo the changes. And that's all I've got for this introduction on how to customize and set up your WordPress blog. I hope it's been helpful. If you want more information, head over to moneytreemarketing.com. I've got a book there all about internet marketing. It's called The 7 Days to Search Engine Success, so you can download that book. It's got some more recommendations, including some other plugins that you may want to add, and just some recommendations on how to set up your blog. Hope it's been helpful. Thanks.